Okay, in this video I'm going to explain how you can cancel an order on Uber Eats in 2024. Now the first thing that we want to do is obviously just load up the Uber Eats application. Now once we have the app open, we are going to click on account here at the bottom, and from this list of settings that pop up, we want to select help. Now from the help center here, we will click on help with an order. Or if you don't see it here, we can select any of the other options as well. So account and payments, delivery and pickup basics, I'll select that. And then here at the very bottom, we will see an option called I have a different question about Uber Eats. Or for account and payments, we will get an option I need to contact support. Now click on here and we'll need to input the name on our account, our phone number, and we can choose the type of issue that we're experiencing. So for example, trip issues, and underneath we will say something like I'd like to cancel order number, and you type out the order number right here or the one that's active, and you will obviously supply the needed information here. And after you have supplied the needed information, you click on submit, and this is going to contact Uber Eats support, and hopefully they will be able to cancel your order in time. So make sure that you know that this is only available before the merchant accepts your delivery request. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.